Welcome to our MooCommerce tutorial. Today, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up payment methods in MooCommerce. Whether you're just starting your online store or looking to expand your payment options, this guide will help you get everything set up without needing any coding skills. Let's dive right in. First, log into your MooCommerce dashboard. Once you're in, head over to the MooCommerce menu on the left sidebar and click on Settings. Next, select the Payments tab at the top. Here, you'll see a list of the available payment gateways that MooCommerce supports by default. These include direct bank transfer, check payments, and popular online methods like PayPal, Stripe, and Klarna. To enable a payment method, simply toggle the switch next to it. Let's set up direct bank transfer as an example. Click on the Manage button. Here, you'll need to enter your account name, number, and bank name, and configure any additional settings you prefer, like adding instructions. Once done, click Save Changes. MooCommerce also offers Dintero checkout, allowing multiple payment methods with just one installation. This includes VIPs and Klarna. To configure, click Manage. You'll need to open the Dintero backoffice in a separate browser tab. In the backoffice, generate your API keys and paste them into the corresponding fields in the Dintero plugin settings in MooCommerce. In the Dintero plugin settings, you can select from various payment methods such as Visa, MasterCard, VIPs, Swish, Mobile Pay, and more. Configure each payment method according to your business needs and customer preferences. Make sure to adjust MooCommerce settings like rounding off tax calculations and setting the number of decimals for currency. Make a test purchase on your site to ensure everything works smoothly. Once you've tested and everything is working correctly, your store is ready to accept real payments. Don't forget to regularly check the MooCommerce Orders section to monitor incoming transactions and payment statuses. And that's it. You've now successfully set up payment methods in MooCommerce. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on managing your online store. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.